Hello everybody and happy Tuesday. For today's English lesson, we're going to do a morning message where we look for some more vowels, and then we're going to learn about the long sounds for vowels because yesterday we learned about the short sounds. And then after all of that, we'll have a few worksheets to complete. So let's go ahead and get started. Start our English lesson with a morning message. Make sure you repeat along with me to read the morning message. Good afternoon, class, comma. Today is May 5th, dash, Cinco de Mayo, period. Cinco de Mayo is a Mexican holiday, also known as Battle of Puebla Day. Love, comma, Miss, period, Hancock. Okay, we'll go ahead and we will read that one more time. It says, good afternoon, class, comma. Today is May 5th, dash, Cinco de Mayo, period. Cinco de Mayo is a Mexican holiday, also known as Battle of Puebla Day, period. Love, comma, Miss, period, Hancock. And in our morning message, let's go ahead and find a few different letters. And I think because we're working on vowels again today, we should find some vowels in our morning message. Yesterday we found A and we found I, so I think we should find O. Let's go ahead and get started by finding O in our morning message. Okay, so when you see my blue dot over the letter O, I want you to say stop, and I'm going to go ahead and circle that letter. And we'll go from top to bottom and from left to right. Here is a lowercase o. Here's a lowercase o. Here's an O, another O. Here's an O. Another lowercase o. Next line. Here's an O. Here's an O. Another one. There are sure a lot of O's in this morning message. There's one. Here's another O. There's a lowercase o. Here's a lowercase o. And on to our last line. Here's one. And here's one. That is a lot of O's. Let's go ahead and count how many O's are in our morning message. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15. We write 15 O's in our morning message. 15 O's. And does anyone remember what is the short sound for the letter O? It's ah, 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 ah. And what is the long sound for the letter O? O, O, O. For the long sound, the vowel just says its name. So O's name is O, so its long sound is O. Great, let's find one more letter. This time, let's go ahead and find the letter E. Let's find the letter E in our morning message, and we'll do it in this kind of pinky red color. Okay, so when my dot gets over the letter E, make sure you say stop and I'll circle it. We're finding the letter E. Here's a lowercase e. Here's a lowercase e. Here's a lowercase e. Here's a lowercase e. Next line. Here's another e. Here's an e. And the last line. There's an e. And that looks like it. Let's go ahead and count how many E's are in our morning message. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 E's. Here's an uppercase E. And here's a lowercase e. 7 E's in our morning message. What is the short sound for the letter E? Eh, eh, eh. And what is the long sound for the letter E? Remember, for the long sound, the vowel just says its name. The long sound is E, E, E. Awesome job. Now we'll go ahead and read a few books to teach us the long sounds for all of our vowels. So yesterday we practiced our short vowel sounds, and today we are going to practice our long vowel sounds. So we're going to read some books that have different words in them where you can hear those long vowel sounds. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, I'm going to highlight this letter in yellow. Can anyone tell me the name of this letter in yellow? Right here. Good, that is the letter A. What is the long sound for the letter A? Remember, for the long sound, the vowel just says its own name. So the long sound for A is just A, A, A. And so we're going to read some words where you can hear that A sound in the word. And all of these words have an A and then a space and then an E after it. And so that's the combination we're looking for in this book. Gate, gate. G, A, T, E, gate. Rake, rake. R-A-K-E, rake. Tape, tape. T-A-P-E, tape. Ape, ape. A-P-E, ape. This is a gate, gate. This is a rake, rake. This is tape, tape. This is an ape, ape. And one last time. Here's an uppercase A. Here's a lowercase a. What is the long sound for A? A, A, A. Awesome. Now, let's move on to a new letter. Right here, highlighted in yellow, and in yellow over here, what letter is this that I have in yellow? It is the letter E, E. And what is the long sound for the letter E? Good, it just says its own name. So the name is E, and its sound is E, E, E. And so let's read some words that have that E sound in them. Tree, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Leaf, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Queen, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Beach, beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. This is a tree. This is a leaf. This is a queen. This is a beach. And one more time, here's an uppercase E. Here is a lowercase e. What is the long sound for the letter E? E, E, E. Very good. Let's move on to a new letter. Highlighted in yellow, right here in yellow. What letter is this? This is the letter I. I. And what is the long sound for I? It's I. 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 And let's read some words with the I sound in them. Ice, ice. I-C-E, ice. Bike, bike. B-I-K-E, I-K-E, bike. 5, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kite, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. This is ice. This is a bike. This is a 5. This is a kite. Here's an uppercase I. Here's a lowercase I. And what is the long sound for the letter I? It just says I. Okay, our next letter is right here. I'm going to highlight it in yellow again. What letter is this that I have highlighted in yellow? What letter is this right here? It's the letter O. 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 And what is the long sound for the vowel O? It's just O. 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 So let's read some words with that O sound in them. Bone, bone, B-O-N-E, bone. Hose, hose, H-O-S-E, hose. Rope, rope, R-O-P-E, rope. Phone, phone, P-H-O-N-E, phone. This is a bone. This is a hose. This is a rope. This is a phone. Here is our uppercase O. Here's our lowercase o. And one more time, what is the long sound for O? O. O. Great. And now on to our last letter, our last vowel. What is the name of this vowel, this letter right here, highlighted in yellow? What's its name? U. U. And the long sound for U is just U. U. And now we'll listen for the sound U in these words. Mule, mule, M-U-L-E, mule. Cube, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Music, music. M U S I C. Music. Menu. Menu. M-E-N-U. Menu. This is a mule. This is a cube. This is music. This is a menu. Here's an uppercase U. Here's a lowercase u. And the long sound for U is just U. 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 And that is all of our letter books for our long vowel sounds. I hope that everybody enjoyed today's lesson with our morning message and all of our practice with the long sounds for our vowels. Now that the lesson is over, I'd like you to go ahead and watch the long sound video that has all the long sounds for the vowels for you to practice. And we also have a few more vowel worksheets. Everybody have a good rest of your day. Bye.